Nam ai tharam bagi saktam maduni sije MPC gate mama
mai si kakala pakan koi chen thora punna thaga koi mai mai ka naam lai tiya naam le ram
hojik jik mai tharam bagi saktam maduni urisi gate mamang da MPCC gi gate mamang da ne hojik jik mai tharam bagi saktam bagi sigi security ante uhogdab jalo
uhogde amandi thong lo le ba
thong ge smile lon jal ko ado koi na ma thak ki sarmi bunker jil le na mai hogala kanda koi na ais kai no toy je na che thora pune ba
kyam kuira kan khang toino khangak kono
only 1 or 2 minutes ko manung
kuidri ba hojik jik ju sari sine ba ko
sa get si sa petrol ne ko bang lo tha ko कोई बताओ जो 10 तुम तारा में भी होगा आगे तुम क्या तारा
जी दबन
कोई ये Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee ki office ta gate mamangda in the heart of the city, hardly 1 kilometer away from the residence of the Honorable Chief Minister of Manipur and hardly 300 meters away from the Honorable Raj Bhavan, the official residence of the Governor of Manipur. This is the situation as of now. We have the police here. This is Manipur Police under the Chief Minister, who is also the Home Minister. And this incident has just taken place in front of the gate of the main opposition political party, Congress, here in Manipur. We would like to appeal and urge the Chief Minister of Manipur, who is also in charge of the Home Department in the entire state, that these miscreants should be booked as early as possible, and the relevant police officials and authority should take cognizance of it, and accordingly FIR should be registered and they should be made and booked within 24 hours. We have all the CCTV footages in and around the place, and there should not be any excuse of having no CCTV footage in the immediate vicinity. This is very serious. Congress party strongly condemns it. This is nothing but making an attempt to scuttle the democratic voice of the opposition in our democracy. We cannot tolerate such form of violence, such form of attack, and such form of illegal acts which are happening just outside our Congress office here in Manipur.
Singyo hojik juk tharam bani se mai lai ri tu yengbiu tu mya mai lai ri ko se si hojik juk tharam bani MPCC gi hek gate mamang da ni masi yamna laibak thiba thodo amani masi gumba thodo se mamang da su gate kauramba kaya ama laikre adubo masi kanana kari gi da tharam le no haibatu chap chaba khang laitri hojik jik tharam bane to security force na manung da gate lon dona lairingai matam da a few second 1 or 2 gi matam da toram thabak thong aduni mayam na ubiri basi masi mayam na su wakal lamtang tobiyo hadun MPCC gi mai kai dagi mayam gi pham da thamjari. Thank you.